Congratulations, you've made it this far. You're now equipped with all the hashtag knowledge that you need to begin the challenge and start posting. However, before you start putting your content out there, there are a few things you want to consider when it comes to picking the right tags for each post. At this point, you should have completed your 6 sets of tags that we've outlined for this specific challenge. However, you still want to make sure that the tags that you're using are relevant to that specific piece of content. So when following along with that schedule that we provided for you for each of the 8 posts, feel free to swap out tags within your sets that would be more relevant to that post. The challenge is mainly about using as many hashtags as possible evenly across a bunch of different posts to get accurate results that you can analyze and use to further optimize your hashtag strategy. Once you've picked the hashtags and sets that you want to use on each post, it's time to get the content out there and assign the tags to it. You can do this either by including the hashtags within the description of the photo, or you can include it in a comment that's on that piece of content. Finally, a tip to keep in mind when posting from your phone is that Flick also has a mobile app that will allow you to easily access all of your collections, copy them, and then paste them directly into that post right on your phone to make it as easy as possible. So go ahead and download the Flick mobile app so all of your collections are easily accessible from your phone. So this is just a brief overview of how to post when using the 8-post challenge framework. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this section for a deeper understanding of best practices with implementing hashtags.